Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your firmware and ensuring your recovery seed is written and accessible. This is your only backup. Once ready, charge the ledger to at least 50% and connect with the official cable to a trusted computer. You open Ledger Live, authenticate, and navigate to Settings, then Device. When you choose Reset, the device will erase private keys. Do this only when your seed is verified. Make sure to note why you reset: firmware glitch, sold device, or security compromise. You now follow the on-device prompts. First, confirm your PIN, then select the secure option labeled Factory Reset or Reset All. As it processes, watch the progress indicators and do not disconnect or interrupt power. Interruptions can brick the device. Once the reset completes, the ledger will return to a welcome screen and prompt you to restore from your recovery phrase or create a new seed. Make sure you choose Restore only if you have the correct written seed. Otherwise, create a fresh recovery. To finish, restore using your recovery seed by entering the 24 words in exact order. This rebuilds your private keys. Once restored, reconnect to Ledger Live, reinstall the cryptocurrency apps you use, and add your accounts to confirm addresses match your records and balances. If addresses differ or transactions fail to appear, stop and retry the restore carefully. A single wrong word causes mismatch. If problems persist, contact official support and avoid third-party tools.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.